Hey guys, welcome to Foodpix Kitchen. Today I want to make a most delicious and simple Turkish simit bagels breakfast with ham and cheese. Like a street foods at home in less than 10 minutes. If you have not subscribed Foodpix channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss our next videos. And please write me your comment about this recipe as well. Your comments will make this channel more popular and motivate us to introduce more creative recipes. To start, we need a medium simit bread. Cut it in half. Now we spread salsa or ketchup on it. A little salt. And black pepper. Cut some bacon or ham, and put it in the pizza pan. Place the bread in the middle of the bacon. And we put a sheet of cheddar cheese on it. Now we wrap the bacon pieces around the bread in this way. Pour a little mozzarella cheese on it. Then add chopped green onion and cherry tomatoes. Now we crack 1 egg or 2 quail eggs in it. Put it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, a complete, nutritious and delicious breakfast is ready. A little chopped green onion. Add a few rings of paprika to decorate. Bon appetit! Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell button so you don't miss the next videos. I'll see you soon in the next video.